Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is Statue of Unity. So let's get started. The statue of Sardar Patel, called the Statue of Unity. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018. It is the world's tallest statue, 182 meters. It is located on Sadhu Bed on the bed of river Narmada in the Narmada district of Gujarat. It is made of steel and bronze. Hope you like this video.